How our Earth formed? How is our Earth at the initial stage? How the first creature was born? Like these so many interesting facts about our Earth, let us know in this video. After the formation of Sun, all other gases in the nebula, dust particles, stones, due to gravitational force, they combined together and formed a fiery sphere that is our Earth. Initially, our Earth is also like a hull with extreme temperature and flow of lava. On the time, Earth rotated on its axis very fastly. How much means one day had only 6 hours. On the time, a planet is in size of Mars collided with Earth. So, some part of the Earth smashed, and that smashed fragments combined together and formed our moon. That is, we have today. Initially, the moon is very near to the Earth, just 22,000 kilometers. But every year, moon going 4 centimeters away from our Earth. Like that, the moon which is in 22,000 kilometers away, now it is 3,84,400 kilometers away from our Earth. Like this, after some crores of years, the moon will go out of our magnetic field and revolve around the sun as a planet. Up to collision, the Earth rotated slightly, but after collision with the planet, our Earth angle 23.5 degrees bent sideward and rotating. From that time to up to now, it is rotating like that only. It is also for our good. By bending sideward on our Earth, today we have seasons and also life on it continuing. Initially, the lava which comes from the core of the Earth is flowing on the surface of the Earth. On that time, the temperature on Earth is 1000 degrees Celsius with lava, but the temperature of the space around the Earth was minus 200 degrees 70 degrees Celsius. So the lava on the surface of the Earth become cool and solid. So the crust becomes solid and strong. In this time, on the Earth, hydrogen, carbon dioxide released from the volcanoes, methane, like these gases fill in the Earth. Okay, for the life need water, but on that time there is no water on the Earth. On that time, some lakhs of meteors fall on the Earth from space. These meteors take the water on Earth. In these meteors inside there is ice particles and water droplets are started to reach the Earth. How water come to the Earth? Also got an evidence. In 1990, scientists take a small meteor which fall on Earth, and when it examined, some ice particles were found, and when it morely examined under high-powered microscope, in that ice particles few water droplets were found. By these they found water existence on Earth, but that few water drops combined together formed these large ice oceans. Take 2 crores of years by collision of so many crores of meteors with Earth. Like this, the water which reaches the Earth due to high temperature on it become water vapor and flow clouds, and again water fall on Earth as rainfall. In this time, Earth start cooling as well as oceans fill. Means the water which we drinking today is 100 crores of years ago reached to the Earth through meteors. Initially, the moon was very near to the Earth, so the waves in the ocean rise to some 100 of kilometers to high due to the moon gravity. But as moon going away from the Earth, the waves in the ocean become calm down. These meteors brought not only water but also amino acids, minerals, proteins, etc. These are the building blocks to form a creature. Now the situations are favorable to create to create life on the earth. Really, the earth is in right distance from the sun, so it make possibility of life on earth. Now, the place of earth is called as habitable zone. In this zone only, water is in liquid state. But if we go outside of this zone, it is very cool. So water is in solid state, means ice. If we go inside of this zone, it is so hot. So water is in gaseous state, means water vapor. Currently earth is in habitable zone. It is our luck. Okay. On our earth, every animal built by some crores of cells. Like that, the first creature on our earth is single cell organism, means unicellular. It is also called as Luca, means last universal common ancestor. It approximately 350 crores of years ago born. It is an estimated by scientists. Now it is time to born first creature on our earth. But there are so many theories to tell how first creature was born on earth. In that, one famous theory is theory of primary abiogenesis. If we observe deeply in every creature, all the work is biochemical activity. If it is metabolism, muscles-based work, genes, etc. You take anything that is chemical bioactivity. According to this theory, some billions of years ago on Earth, due to some astronomical changes in some non-living components, biochemical reaction will happen and form a creature. This is said by this theory. Some non-living components combine and form one living component or creature. Let us see one example. If one car's components separate them and they can't move, but when we set them in a order, then it becomes a movable vehicle if we pour fuel. Like this, hydrogen, carbon, water, phosphorus, amino acids, minerals brought by meteors all combine in that situations due to biochemical reaction. One unicellular organism was born, said by this theory. This first creature was born under the sea at hydrothermal bonds, where was estimated by scientists. The water got into underground where water heated up to 400 degrees and mixed up with minerals, carbon, amino acids came out from the hydrothermal bonds. Due to sufficient heat and favorable situations, maybe the first creature was born here. From this cell, bacteria and archaea have evolved. Cyanobacteria is also belongs to this bacteria. This is the first photosynthetic bacteria. All these still oxygen and plants there is no on the earth. These cyanobacteria use both sunlight and environmental carbon dioxide and start releasing the oxygen, means now photosynthesis activity in plants. Like this, slowly the percent of oxygen start increasing in environment of our earth. Now so many creatures are there on our earth due to cyanobacteria. Now here we looking is not stones, they are called as stromatolites. All these are habitat of so many layers of some crores of cyanobacteria. All these are from some hundreds of years they releasing in oxygen. Like this in environment, after oxygen fill on our earth ready to give birth for all other creatures. Like this, from one cell all different kinds of birds, animals, humans have evolved. This is called evolution. To understand evolution, we want to know about DNA. Okay friends, to know more about solar system clearly, I have given the video link in the description. If you want, please check it. Okay friends, if you like the video, please put a like and share with your friends. For more interesting videos, please subscribe LVK Education.